Welcoming, safeguarding, and taking care of others is at the very heart of who we are and what we do every single day. But we just launched a new rigorous protection protocol under the name of All Safe, which includes a lot of different measures, one of them being, of course, contactless check-in, check-out, and payments. It includes sanitation kits for guests. It includes hospital-grade rooms disinfections, and so many others that you're going to be discovering in the film. And we decided very recently, but we've been working on it for several months, to go one step further, which is to provide medical care assistance for our guests. Wherever you are on the Accor network, in the 5,000 hotels, in the 40 brands of Accor, all over the 110 countries, if you need any special care, any medical assistance, decided to enter into a global partnership with one of the best lead insurance company called AXA. AXA and Accor signed this assistance about our network where wherever you are, within one touch, one phone call away, or talking to one of the employees of Accor, you'll get direct benefit of thousands of vetted medical professionals affiliated with AXA. You'll get access to online telemedicine consultation for your care. That's where we are, that's where we're launching. This is only the beginning of so many other initiatives. Stay with us, bear with us. We're going certainly one step further on making sure that you not only feel safe, you feel reassured, and you have true envy to spend time with us. Bye-bye.